Hello, my lighting is very nice there. I like it. Anyway, tomorrow my husband will be celebrating his birthday. That's the right term. Celebrating his birthday. So I will make for him a cake. He follows a strict gluten-free diet, so that's what I'm going to do. But since I'm also very tired due to my illness, I will not be able to really do it from scratch, but I will show you the things that I do and some changes that I made, and I hope you will try this recipe. So let's get going. So I already prepared and lined my 6-inch, I think it's 6-inch to 6-inch pan because I wanted to easily divide it. I'm using this cake mix because I don't have time, and I will be adding some melted chocolate or chocolate chips. This is the pure one. I need also eggs, but if you are, for example, vegan, or vegan and you want to avoid egg, or just simply want to avoid egg, you can also use this one. This is the Oregon gluten-free no egg replacer. And I'm also using this butter because I need butter, but this is also vegan if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, this is vegan, and this is also really good because it's not made of palm. And I have here very ripe bananas. I have 4 because my husband bought rather a lot of really brownie bananas, so I'm going to use it and I'll show you how it's done. So stay tuned, okay?
So on the mixing bowl, I already added the cake mix, and now I'm adding butter to it. When I showed you, around 225 grams if I'm not mistaken. And then afterwards I also added eggs. So actually you need to do it, place it first in the bowl, but I did it directly, so I added in total 3 eggs. These are medium sized eggs, and then I just used the paddle attachment, and it's not ready to mix. And do not over mix it, just medium speed.
Ready to be put. I'll put it in the oven for I'll put it in the oven for around 45 minutes. You have to put a barbecue stick on it just to check if it's good or not. Usually around 30 to 45 minutes on a 180 degrees oven. So I'll see you later. So the cake is already done, but I just want to let it cool down in the rack for a while. And I will make a frosting. So I'll be doing like Ban Marie, which is I will put water in this, and I will melt the chocolate here. And not much water, just a tiny bit. And I'm going to put that in the stove. These are the chocolates that I will be using. So they are extra pure chocolates and this one is nice. So just small pieces and just let it out. So the chocolate is now well melted, but it's still very warm. I just have to wait first till it cool down a little bit. Then we can make a frosting. Here the first bread or cake rather, and I will just put it in this plate. First I have to remove and get this right first. Then we get our frosting, and I will scoop some using a spatula. Oops, and using an offset spatula, just make sure that they're all level together. Just make sure it's level, so when you put the next layer, it will also level, somewhat level. You know what I mean. And I'm going to get this, and I will just turn it upside down, so like that, and then I'm going to apply frosting again. And this is just a homemade cake for my husband, so. Some braided bananas, and I'm going to put it here in the middle. Like this. It should be very banana overloaded. It smells good. Alright, I'm just going to put some chocolate. Just consider the leftovers from this. It's not used, so everything is used if you will. Yep. And I got me some stars.
brand is Sony's bitter chocolate. Should I just want to use it? So there's a banana overload cake for my husband's birthday. Voila. That's it.